Hello guys, this is Hutman and welcome back to my channel where you get cool tech stuff and tricks. Okay, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can add filter trigger message using Rosebot, whereby I will still show you how you can stop Rosebot filter in your group. Without wasting much time, we'll just jump right in. But before that, we have to understand the reason why people make use of this filter in their group. It is admin that make use of this filter to ease in the management of group. And what this does is that it helps the admin to respond to repeated messages sent over a period of time by group members or users in the group. Let's say when an admin is offline, this can actually help to answer users who ask specific questions. It actually helps the management of the group to be easing for the admins. That is why we make use of this particular command on our group using Rosebot. Let's jump into how we can add this bot to our group. First, you have to copy the handle over here, then you go to your Telegram application, then you tap and open the group which you have created that you want to use the bot on. Then when you open the group, you go to the administrator where you can add your admin. You tap on the search field and you paste the handle. When you paste the handle, you search for it. The first bot that appears, that is the one you select. From here you can actually modify what you want to, what access you want the bot to have. I want to take this. In your case, you can leave it, then you click on good, and the bot will be promoted to admin, and this is the message that shows that the bot has been added to your group. After that, then you go back, you click on rows and you click on stats, then you click on add me to your chats over here, then you select the chats you want rows to be added, and you can see it has been added successfully. Next is to make use of the filter command. To do that, you go back to rows, you click on the message bar and type /help, you send it, and the bot will pop up a menu that contains list of different commands you can use to manage your group. Remember, we are focusing on the filter. You click on filter, and when you click on filter, it will show you a list of commands under filter which you can use to program rows to detect message or words and give a specific reply to that. It also shows us how we can stop the bots from replying to those messages or words. All this I will explain it for you so you can understand. Now we've gotten a list of our filter command here. Where can we put this filter command? We put them here on our group chat, and to do that you just type /filter, you give a space, you type in the word or the phrase which you want the filter to sense or detect in what the user has sent to the group. Then when you type in that, you now give a space also and type in the reply which you want it to give to that word or phrase. For that, I will be explaining it here so you can understand, and after the explanation I will go back to the Telegram group and we'll do a practical example. So this is filter, and as I explained before, when you go to the search, to the message bar of that your group, you just type / give a space the word, give a space the reply, and this is just a template for you to just understand what you are going to type on the group. This is the example of what you are going to type. You just type /filter. This is the word which you want the bot to detect on a particular sentence sent on the group. So when it detects this word puppies, it's going to give a reply, I love puppies. I hope you can see the space which it's being given here. You can see /filter first, you give a space puppies, you give a space I love puppies. So this is /filter, the command. This is the word which you want the bot to detect, and this is the reply. Let's test it on the group. We go back and we type /filter, you give a space the word which you want the bot to recognize, puppies, you give a space for the reply which you want it to give when it detects puppies, which is the word. The reply will be I love puppies. You can see that. Let's go ahead and put our exclamation mark, and when you send this, automatically the bot will save your word, which is that puppies. So anybody that type in the word puppies or send in a sentence, and among the sentence puppies was mentioned in that sentence, the bot automatically picks it up and reply, I love puppies. Let's see if it's going to work. Who got puppy for sale? And let's say someone asks this question on the group, the bot will recognize that puppies and it will reply, I love puppies. You can see it work. Even though if the person just type in puppies and send, the bot automatically replies to the person, I love puppies, because this is what you told the bot to reply when he sees the word puppies. Hope you can understand. Let's move over to the phrase part, and you can see it's still the same thing, the same way you did in this particular place. A phrase is just two words combined, let's say two or more words combined to make a meaning. So when you type /filter, you give a space, but when you give that space, you make use of your quotation mark. You make your quotation mark and you put your phrase inside that quotation mark. You give a space and you type in your reply. An example of this is just, as I explained before, this is just a template for you to understand what you're going to type. An example of what you're going to type on your group is /filter, you give a space and you type your quotation mark, you open a quotation mark, you type in the phrase. This is an example of a phrase, I love dogs. So what you're telling this bot is that when he sees any place that they say I love dogs, the bot should reply, I love dogs too. So let me start again. You can see /filter, you gave a space, you put your quotation mark, you write I love dogs, you close your quotation mark, you give a space for your reply. Make sure you don't make a mistake of combining your reply to your phrase or to your word, like you do it like this and send on the group. It's wrong. You make sure you give a space, and make sure you give a space here too. Let's do a practical example. Okay, so /filter, we go again. /filter, you give a space and you put your quotation mark, I love dogs. You close your quotation mark, you give a space for your reply. And your reply, and the reply the bot should give is, I love dogs too. So when you do that, you send, and you can see it has saved I love dogs over here. So anybody that just come to the group and chat, do you know that I love dogs so much? It doesn't matter how the person put it, as long as the person make use of this particular phrase, I love dogs, automatically when the person send it, the bot replies, I love dogs too. So you can use this and set different things for your group. You can set different phrase or word which the bot should reply. You set the reply and it gives that reply. You can use this to help yourself in your business, in your tutorial group, just to reply repeated questions that you know that users will ask constantly. Let me make another example.
Let's go.
Let's say you are into tech and you've created a group. You know that when you begin to add people on the group, people will begin to ask, who is the admin of this group? So instead of you answering those people constantly, repeatedly, I'm the admin, this is my name, this is what I do, this is what I study, this is my age, you can just set this on the bot and the bot will reply them whenever anybody asks such question. To do that, still the same thing, /filter, you give a space, you put your semicolon, and I've copied it already on my clipboard. Let me go over here. Who is the admin? People like asking who is the admin of a particular group. You close it with your quotation mark. I made a mistake. Then you give a space and you set your reply. The reply should be, Mr. Gifts is the chief admin, founder of Hutman Tech Group, also a reverse app engineer. And you can see this is the filter command. This is my phrase. I want the bot to recognize and respond to anybody that says who is the admin. It just asks it as a question. What he replies is this: Mr. Gift, blah 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 blah. And when you send it, you can see the bots have recognized what you sent and he have saved it. Who is the admin? So should anybody comes out in the group and asks who is the admin of this group, that's it as a question. You see, the bot immediately answer that person, Mr. Gift is the chief, blah 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 blah. Isn't that amazing? Alright, what if we want to stop a rosebot filter command on this group? Let's say among all these filter commands which we have been sending here, we want to stop either one of them or all of them. How can we be able to stop this command? That takes us to the stop filter command, which you can see over here. You can see /stop, then you give a space and you type in the word which you want it to be removed from the bot. That is, you want it to remove from the saved list of filters which your bots have recorded down. And an example of that is /stop, you give a space, you type the word puppies which you made use of before. You also repeat the same if you want to stop a phrase, which is /stop, you type the phrase which you gave the bot before. And remember, I told you that whenever you want to type a phrase, you remember you put your quotation mark, then you type in that phrase which you put before, and this would stop a particular filter from working. So what if you want to stop all? As I said before, you make use of /stop all, and it will allow you to delete all the filters which you have put on that bot. Let's do a practical example. We go back here, and as I explained before, let's say I want to stop this particular filter here. In fact, you don't even need to scroll and begin to check what filter you have put on your saved on your bot. You can just type /filters, and that will give you the list of filters you have on your bot that is saved. You can see these bots have recognized that we have saved who is the admin. It has saved I love dogs, and it has saved puppies. So let's say I want to remove this I love dogs only. I want the other ones to still be working. I will just type /stop. This I love dogs are multiple words, so it's a phrase. I will just put in my quotation mark, paste it here, close it with my quotation mark, and send. And you see, it have told us filter I love dogs has been stopped. So if anybody just come and type I love dogs, it won't give any reply anymore. You can see that because it has been stopped. The same thing applies to if you want to stop this particular one. You can still go ahead and type /stop. This is just a word, so you just paste it, and when you send it, it will stop puppies. So puppies will no longer work again. If anybody asks any question or mention puppies in the sentence, it won't respond to that anymore. Let me go ahead and add these filters back. /filter puppies, and you should reply I love puppies. /filter admin, you should reply admin is busy. Okay, so I've saved some new word. If you press /filters, you see that these new words have been saved. So how can I stop all this from working? Stop all the filter from working? You use the code /stop all, and when you send that, you see it will tell you, it will ask you, are you sure you would like to stop all filters in this group? You press delete all filters, and immediately all those filters you saved will be deleted. If you search /filters again, you see that no word is saved there anymore. You can see say no filter is on this group. And that is all about how you can make use of filter triggers on your group, how you can remove filter triggers on your group. I'll be giving a bonus to this video, and that bonus is you can see this is our main group. Let's say you are sending these filters now on your business group. You wouldn't like your members or your group members to see all these commands which you are sending here, because it will kind of make your group look messed up. So instead of you stressing yourself, saying maybe after you send this filter here, you now say, okay, I will delete them one after the other, or delete all of them at once. You don't need to do this. The way you can now send all these filters would be directly on your bot and it will work for you. How can you do that? Let me delete all this from here. Let me go back to the group and we delete all these messages now. Let's say we don't need all these messages again. Okay, so when you delete all these messages, and instead of you want to, let's say you want to add a filter here now. You want to add a filter here. Remember, you will have to type /filter blah blah blah. You add your filter, and before the group, it will be added successfully. You don't need to do this here. You just go to your rows. You type /help. Let's set it first. Let's connect this rows to our group. When you click on /help, you click on connections. So when you click on connection, it will tell you, it give you list of commands on connection. We are focused on the connect. We want to connect these rules to our group so that we'll be sending all this filter command, all this command on rows instead of sending it directly to the group. So it's telling us that we should use /connect, then we put in our chat ID or user name of our group. How can I get the chat ID of my group? What you just do is to go back to your group and click /ID, and your group chat ID will be sent. You just copy it, tap on it to copy. You go back to rows, then you click / okay, sorry, I made a mistake. You go back to the group, you click /connect, you give a space and paste that your user ID, and it will tell you tap the following button to connect to this chat in PM. You can see when you go back, it tells us that you have been connected to this group. So it has been connected successfully. You don't even need, now as it has been connected, you don't need to send any messages on this group anymore. You just have to send all your filter commands on these rows, and automatically your group will pick it up without it displaying here. Let me use an example and show you. So you just type /filter puppies, then your reply is I love puppies. Do you know where I can buy some? Okay, you can see it have saved it here already. When you go to the group, you see that nothing was written on the group, but when somebody on your group just writes I love puppies, automatically the bot replies I love puppies, do you know where I can buy some? And that is all about how to add filter trigger message using Rosebot and how to stop Rosebot filter in your group. If you like this video, make sure you press the like button, and if you're a new user, do click on the subscribe button and the bell icon as well, so you don't miss out on any other amazing content like this. This is me, Hutman, signing off. Bye bye.